Let me tell you something. If you thought Dollar Tree was after your coins before, they after your coins like no tomorrow, okay? All these new all right, 15 new items at Dollar Tree. Who knew? Dina in a place to be on a mic like the Fabulous MC. So first up, Dollar Tree has this standard essential, easily rotates to 4 fixed positions, 360 duster extender. 4 pieces, $5. Dollar Tree also has this duster, extendable duster down here. Really, really cool. This is $5. They also have the duster refill, $3. This is number 3, child. Keep up with me. Now they also have the 10-inch corn broom. This is right. Listen, I had to chime in because the corn broom, honey, it brought back childhood memories. I don't know about you guys. I'm quite sure a lot of you guys had the corn brooms in your house, but I remember when we would have the corn broom, you would take, now some of you guys may be like, what? Maybe thinking this is the nasty thing ever. But I remember the corn brooms, the stems that was like further closer to the handle, right? Sometimes we may have took that and used it as a toothpick, okay? Just FYI, you get what I'm saying? Honey, that was a childhood memory I remember, all right? Really, really good. I was so shocked by Dollar Tree. New cleaning items. Honey, 15 new items you want to stick around for. Let the clip roll. $5. I've seen this. I said, honey, that is a steal deal like Holyfield. This is number 4. They also have the spray mop cleaning system, $5. Really, really cool. Honey, where you gonna get this at? Really nice. Number 5. They also have the spray mop refill pads, which is $3. Number 6. They also have the push broom cleaning system, standard essentials. This is $5. And honey, what really took me out, or almost took me out, was this, okay, the twist mop. This is $5. Easy ring mop pad, used on all hardwood surfaces, hanger hole for convenient storage, and this is pretty much how it's looking. Really, really cool. They also have this mop bucket. Honey, where are you going to get this stuff for the prices the way they are? Buying a bucket, don't forget the Wrangler, okay? The Wringer. This is $5. So no more old school putting your hands in a mop water and your fingers smelling like bleach, okay? All right? Now, if you was to just get a regular mop, right, then this would be really, really good. Now, if you get the twist mop, because you know with the twist mops, you don't have to touch the mop. You just, do this, twist it, and then the mop is going to wring out. So number 10, the 2-in-1 microfiber flip mop refill. Oh, yeah, this feels so good. Really, really good. This is $3. So all the refills are mainly $3, but the initial product is $5. I think this is the best thing ever. Number 11, Dollar Tree has the rubber broom. This is $1.25. Really, really good. Cleaning system. Honey, this is nice. All right, number 12, microfiber mop refill, superior dust pickup. This is $3. When I tell you Dollar Tree isn't a place to be, Dollar Tree also has this microfiber dust mitt, which is $1.25. Really good. Family. You better get on down to Dollar Tree and do your big 1, 2, 3. Honey, they ain't playing. They are slacking. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.